I'm John Brickley. Here's what's happening on SportsCenter right now. Remember the Cavs' 6-game losing streak? Well, LeBron and company sure don't. Since that low point of the season, the team has rattled off 12 straight wins, highlighted by last night's victory over the Clippers. Kevin Love, a team-high 24 points to lead the way, as now Cleveland sits 11 games above 500. They're third in the East, behind only the Hawks and the Raptors. The Cavs look for lucky number 13 tonight when they travel to Indianapolis to face off with the Pacers. 2015 continues to be a year of setbacks for Tiger Woods. The former world #1 battled back problems, forcing him to withdraw from the Farmers Insurance Open after 11 holes, shooting 2 over par Thursday. It marks Woods' third withdrawal in his last 8 starts, dating all the way back to last March. And that'll do it for this SportsCenter update. SVP and Russillo starts right now.